Welcome to the Trade of the Week Monday. So on Sunday nights, even with AWS just destroying the internet, all of the StatsEdge Pro members got a whole list of trades to trade this week, and then also for the day trades as well. And then every Monday I come and I show this to you guys as the free email subscribers. So I'm super excited for this potential trade and to show you guys what we have cooking. So without further ado, let's just kind of pop into it. As always, you can get all of the kind of detailed statistics and everything going on right here to show this is the strategies, right, from our swing trading strategies. You can click and get real detailed and real nerdy if you want to read all the different charts and Monte Carlo simulations and all that kind of stuff. But we are looking for pullbacks on this one, and this is ARTV. This is one of those just insane movers, so very risky, right? This thing doubled yesterday or Friday, so it went from about 268, 275 here, and then closed up at 6, but it was up at 7 something, at 750 or so at one point. So up big, but could have been up even bigger that day. So I just say that to kind of let everyone know that this is a volatile one. This one's a little bit crazy, so it might not be for everybody. Just know that maybe this one you take a little bit smaller if you're a little bit more nervous. But the basic idea behind this strategy is we're looking for big moves. We're looking for large gaps that were some sort of news event that's happened, big runners, things that were up multiple days in a row, generally speaking, will be because they've had some sort of change of catalyst, a news event, some good press release or earnings or something like that. And we're looking to buy pullbacks because institutions, large hedge funds, they're not going to be chasing gaps higher. Just not the way they work. They're too big. They'll wait for stocks to come in and pull into certain levels. They'll buy them there. They're not very impatient. They aren't going to FOMO up. So they're going to take things as they come in. So just analyzing this chart, this high up here around 650, that is where we stopped yesterday. We got right up there, put in a little topping tail, and now we're pulling back. So the buy has already come in, as always. I always want to give you one that has triggered, and that is about 480 or so. Now, we're a little bit below that. We're at 460. So as of recording this and as of sending it out, a better price now than what it was looking for. But what I really like about it is we have these two equal highs right here, this base that's been occurring for a really long period of time. If we look at this base right here, we've been kind of chopping around in this zone this is August. So August, September, October in this zone. So if we break it and we don't go back to visit that zone, we pull in a little bit and then we just start to bounce from there. It has the potential to be a very good trade. Now, long-term zoom doesn't actually look that bad. We're holding okay. So what I want to see pretty quickly if we start to bounce is hopefully a close back through this kind of 650-ish zone right here, and then potentially off to the races for this name. So this is ARTV. And again, this is one of the trades that has come from our systems. If you're looking to trade with systems, again, I just cannot express enough how awesome it is that although there's no magic, right, we're not trillionaires out there. I'm not someone who's going to lie and say we're right all of the time and we make money every day or every week. It's just not the way it works. But the calming nature of the fact that I know what I'm trading today. I know what I'm trading this week. I know what I'm investing in this month. And I don't need to hunt or question or come up with ideas or did I execute it right or any of that. The systems tell me exactly what to do when the price comes in and it triggers that alert. I just take a look at the stock. If I like the trade, if I like what's going on in the market currently, I hit the buy button, I put in the stop loss, and I move on. And only when there's a movement from that price, a lot of profit or a potential loss, do I have to make a decision. I don't have to hunt all day long looking for new trades. Everything is done with a 25-year back test, so I know exactly what I should expect for risk reward, profit, all that kind of stuff. If you're interested, come on over to StatsEdgeTrading.com. It's been floating right above my head here. And until next time, get away from the screens.